I would like to show you the Kerala farm. See the nutmeg tree over here, and you can see some fruits of nutmeg tree. And let us see the coffee plant. There is some coffee plants in my farm. See, this is the coffee plant. The already ripened seeds have been taken, but this is the coffee plant. Again, in my field, there is some rubber plants as well. Let us see the rubber plant. See, this plant is rubber plant. I will show you a closer picture of rubber trees. See, these are the rubber trees. These rubber trees are tapped, and we are getting rubber sheet from all these. And these are the rubber trees. The midland part of Kerala, there is almost all the houses, there is rubber trees, and we are tapping it and getting sheet out of it. Again, see colocasia. Again, a small nutmeg tree. Again, let us see the pepper plant over here. This is the pepper plant, and see, this is our plant. These are the rubber trees we are cultivating. Here we are supposed to cut the tree and get the latex out of this. This is the rainy season, that is why there is full of greenery over here. And this is another nutmeg tree. It is just planted. Again, this is our well, and you can hear the chirping of birds. We have around 100 rubber trees over here, and see another part of our farm. It is a small farm, but there is a lot of varieties of plants over here. This is the plantain we have just planted. Another nutmeg tree. This is another well in our farm. It is already covered with nets, and our village is a remote village of Kottayam, but still our village has got almost all the facilities. Then let us see how pineapple is getting planted. I will show you how pineapple is getting planted in our place. See, this also is a coffee plant. We are getting coffee seeds enough for our consumption. This is another coffee plant. You can see these are the pineapple cultivation. It is not in our farm, but nearby farm. See the pineapple cultivation. Pineapple is just planted, and earlier it was a rubber plantation. Rubber trees has been cut, and now this pineapple is planted over here. You can see. There is a big wild jack tree over here. You can see the wild jack tree. This is the wild jack tree. In our local language, we will call it as Anjali. This is a wild jack tree, very big tree. There you can see a teak tree over here. Teak. This is the teak, very famous for making furnitures and all. This is the teak. Actually, Kerala is a rainforest. That is why all the farms are like almost like forests. But we are planting useful trees over here. This blackjack tree, wild jack tree itself is costing lakhs of rupees because it is used for constructing houses and all. Then this is another wild jack tree. In local language, we are calling it as Anjali. I have already told this is Anjali. Then again, this is the pepper plant. See, Europeans were calling this as black gold because they were buying this precious spice from Kerala and selling in Europe and getting very huge profit. That is why they were calling it as the black gold. See, you can see the fruits are just started growing. See, some fruits are there. It is not ripened yet. See, in our field there is what we say chilies as well. This is the local chili. In Kerala we will call it as kandari. This is the papaya tree over here. Papaya.